Hey, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be the 2021 Year of the Ox Huntsman from Victorinox's Zodiac series. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. Okay, we get our first look of the 2021 Year of the Ox edition from Victorinox for their Chinese Zodiac series. And for 2021, as already stated, Year of the Ox. Very similar box to the last one from the 2020, so we have 8 7/8 of an inch long, 4 9/16 tall, and about 1.5 inches thick. Now on this one, we do get the part number on the rear. So you get 1.3714.Echo10. So I'm thinking maybe on my last package that had fallen off. But again, very similar design as the last one. Actually, I think the last one had a little bit more texture or something on the sides, but I digress. So sliding this one open, the band still moves, but I kind of decided that's a good way to do it. So we get another look at that beautiful ox on the main cover there. Move that out of the way. And then we get our horoscope card again for the Year of the Ox. Talks about it being an amulet of strength and protection as the largest animal of the 12 in the Zodiac series. Then we get the Chinese on the back. And on this one I actually do see the ox. I don't remember seeing that on the rat. I know there was a design there, but couldn't tell that it was a rat, so maybe I'll have to go back and look at that. And again, I'll have all of this typed into the description below, but I'll try to hold it the best I can if you want to try to read that. Okay, so moving on, again we have that nice display box and another wonderful scale there with the depiction of the ox. Still have our huntsman. Still get our care, use, and maintenance card. We have the 91mm 4-layer huntsman. I'm going to zoom in here just a shade. Get a good look at the scale there. Again, being 4 layers, 3/4 of an inch, scale to scale. We'll start on the back. Have our 4-turn solid corkscrew with the precision eyeglass screwdriver. And this also had a limited edition run of 8,000. And our serial number on this one is 1984. Have our spot for our straight pin, but again do not have it. Get our postal hook. Our reamer awl with the sharpened edge. Standard opening layer to include the can opener with precision screwdriver. Cap lifter, wire bender, and 90-degree stop. And hologram screwdriver. Scissors. And as expected with a 2021, all of the newer features of the tool lineup, tool evolution. Haven't been too many changes in the last few years. Get the wood saw. Standard main blade. And for tang stamp, Victorinox Swiss made stainless. And the officer Suisse. And again, that tang stamp has been the current tang stamp since 2011. Standard pen blade. Scale tools to include the toothpick. And the number on this toothpick is 33. So again, if you know what the numbers on the toothpicks stand for, put it down in the comment section below so we can all learn. Tweezers with the plastic tip. And another good look at the ox on the scale. So again, if you enjoy these videos, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.